In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overdraft with Bank of America. This process can be handy in managing your finances, especially when you're in a pinch and need that little bit of extra leeway. Let's walk through it step by step to make sure you know exactly what to do. To start, launch the Bank of America mobile app and sign into your account. If you don't have the app, you'll need to download it from your device's app store and follow the installation steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to your checking account from the home screen. From there, scroll down until you see the option for Manage Overdraft Settings or Overdraft Services. This section is your gateway to controlling how overdrafts are managed on your account. Once you're in the overdraft settings, you'll notice you have two main choices available. First, there's the standard overdraft setting. This option allows your debit card, ATM, and recurring payments to go through even if it will cause your balance to go negative. It's important to note that while this can be incredibly convenient in emergencies, it may result in fees and a negative balance that will need to be remedied quickly. Alternatively, there's the opt-out choice, which simply declines transactions if you don't have sufficient funds. This option protects you from overdraft fees, but might leave you embarrassed at the checkout if your card is declined. If you've decided that overdraft services are right for you, you can go ahead and choose to opt in. This means Bank of America will authorize transactions even when your balance is low, which can be incredibly useful in certain situations. Make sure you confirm your selection and agree to the terms that will be presented. Now, if you want a bit of a safety net, consider setting up overdraft protection. This is an optional feature that allows you to link another Bank of America account, such as a savings account or credit card, to your checking account. This linked account will automatically transfer funds to cover any overdrafts. To set this up, go to Transfers, then select Overdraft Protection, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. With everything set up, it's crucial to use these features responsibly. When your balance is insufficient, eligible purchases or withdrawals will still be processed. However, it's important to remember that any negative amount will appear in your account balance, and it's your responsibility to deposit funds soon to bring your balance back to a positive state. Overdrawing your account is a tool, not a long-term solution, so make sure you're managing your finances well to avoid high fees and financial trouble. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to overdraft with Bank of America. As always, use this feature wisely and responsibly to make sure it serves as a helpful tool rather than a financial burden.